Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your category on TikTok. So you're going to go to profile and you are just going to go and press edit profile. Then as you can see, I have gaming under my category. So I'm just going to select category and go to gaming. And here you can change the category that you have for your account. This category, however, won't be displayed publicly. So there's arts and crafts, automotive and transportation, baby, beauty, clothing and accessories, education. There's just a lot to choose from, but I chose gaming for mine, and you can even choose others. I'm just going to press gaming, and then I'm just going to press save. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!